Add the video clip in your timeline, then go to the color tab. In here, select this window tool, and under window, select this circle tool. And now click this enhanced viewer icon to make your previous screen bigger. Now you have to select your first face that you want to blur, just like this. Once you perfectly added this circle around your face that you want to blur, again click this enhanced viewer to disable. And now to add another circle for blur face, we have to add another node. So right click on your node, hover over on add node and select add serial. And then select this second node, and again under window select this circle tool, again click on enhanced viewer, and then go ahead and select your second face that you want to blur. And then I'm disabling this enhanced viewer and selecting the first node, and then I'm selecting this tracker tool. All you have to need, click this track forward option, and then your selected face will track from your entire video clip. Once the tracking process is done, selecting the second node and moving this playhead at the beginning, and then I'm again clicking on track forward. That's how I'm tracking my second face. Once tracking finished, I'm selecting the blur tool. And now under radius, go ahead and adjust the blurriness for your face, just like this. Then selecting the first node, the same way I'm adding blur for my second face, just like this. Now I'm going to edit section and let's play my timeline. And that's how you can actually track multiple faces in DaVinci Resolve.